Let's take a look at this question. Finding values of all other 5 trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions, given that sin x equals 3 by 5, where x is lying in the second quadrant. Now, how do we approach this question? A simpler approach would be to draw a triangle very easily. Sin x equals 3 by 5. Let's say sin theta equals 3 by 5. The triangle that you'll get is this triangle, 3 by 5, and this base would be actually 4. And since theta lies in this quadrant, all sine, tan, cos. So sine and cosec would be positive. Other 4 would be negative. Okay. So sine x is something which we already know. Sine x is 3 by 5. Cosec x would be 5 by 3. Cos x can be found as 4 by 5, but since it is lying in the second quadrant, x is lying in the second quadrant, this will be minus 4 by 5. Similarly, tan x would be 3 by 4, but with a minus. Reciprocal sec x and cot x can easily be found. This is the simpler, shorter approach. But then drawing all of these diagrams is not something which the NCERT people love. They want you to solve using a longer approach. Let's see what the longer approach says. Longer approach says that sin x, okay, this is equal to 3 by 5, which gives me cosec x. Cosec x is the reciprocal of sin x. Yes. Let's find that cosec x first. That is equal to 5 by 3. That's the first thing that you get. Okay. Relate sin x to some other trigonometric ratio. What is the other trigonometric ratio and a sin x identity between another trigonometric ratio and sin x? Well, we have a simple identity, that is sin square x plus cos square x, which is equal to 1. Okay, this gives me cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x, which is 1 minus sin square x. Sin square x is 3, sin x is 3 by 5, sin square x would be 9 upon 25. This will be 16 over 25. Now this is the value of cos square x. So what will cos x be equal to? Cos x will be equal to plus or minus 4 by 5. Which value should we consider? Should we consider plus 4 by 5? Should we consider minus 4 by 5? The answer lies in this. In the second quadrant, cos x is negative. So this gives me cos x equals minus 4 by 5 since x lies in second quadrant. Since x lies in the second quadrant, right? Once you have found cos x, you can easily find sec x. Sec x is the reciprocal of cos x, which will be minus 5 by 4. This is sec x. What about tan x and cot x? Tan x and cot x can now be found by taking reciprocal of sine and cos, right? Tan x is equal to sin x over cos x. Since tan x equal to this, therefore tan x is equal to sin x is 3 upon 5, cos x is minus 4 upon 5. Taking the reciprocal, what you have is 5 will get cancelled. This is minus 3 by 4. And cot x will be equal to what? Cot x is reciprocal of this, which is minus 4 by 3. Right? This is what you get. That's a complete answer. Yes, that's a complete solution for this question over here.